Many years ago, when we were racing vintage Volvos, we discovered that there were a couple of weaknesses in the oil pumps on these cars. Sometimes the ears that run off the drive assembly would break, sometimes the oil pressure wasn't real good with them. We came up with a couple of parts that we used consistently to make them work better, and you may want to apply it even to your street car. One is that we have the oil pump reinforcing ring that goes around the top of the drive shaft to keep that breakage from happening. Another is a different spring which can be put in to change the oil pressure relief on the oil pumps. You may or may not want to use these parts depending on your build. Also, it's becoming more and more difficult to figure out whether your pump is the right pump to use with the correct spring. So we carry on the shelf already modified oil pumps with the spring and the ring on them when you receive them that you can just bolt into your motor. These are on our site at ipdusa.com.